Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Have you ever done this? You've come to your cardstock and you've discovered that the last piece that you've got is incredibly creased. Or maybe it's not your last piece, but it's just frustrating to come in and find that your cardstock is creased, and that one, well, that one I obviously got a little bit cross with and screwed it up. But I'm going to show you a 30-second solution for getting these pieces of card back into a state that you can use them. And for that I need my Big Shot. I need my Big Shot platform. And I have a stamping spritzer. It just has some clean water in it. I'm just going to very quickly spritz it with a little bit of the clean water, and hopefully that hasn't affected the autofocus, but should be able to see the creases on there. So now I'm just going to put that piece of card inside the embossing folder. This is a dynamic folder, so it's extra thick, so you need to put it directly onto the platform with just one cutting pad on the top. I'm going to run it through. I'm going to take it back the other way, and hey presto, those creases have gone. So I can now use that nicely textured piece. But what about this? Well, that one, can't do anything about that tear, I'm afraid, but that was pretty creased up. So let's try that one. Again, we'll give it a little bit of a spritz with clean water. Let's try a different embossing folder, another dynamic one. As you can see, it's very thick. Now this one has some quite large, smooth areas in the design, so it will really show up if those creases are still there. So we'll run it through again, run it through, and run it back the other way. Move that out of the way, and there we are. There's that piece of card. Hopefully you can see that all those nasty creases have completely disappeared. So there you are. Don't worry about those creased pieces of card. Just use a stamping spritzer, use an embossing folder, and it doesn't matter whether it's got a fine texture or a more bold design. It works both times. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you'll join me again another time. In the meantime, if you want to see more tips and tricks and paper crafting inspiration, please visit my blog at www.papercraftwithme.com. And in the meantime, have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.